We're now going to talk about Boolean and Bitwise operators. So this should all be review. The comparison operators from the last video should be review. If this is the first time you're coming across this material, you need to go back to the selecting subsets of data part. This is just the part right before this one, and go and watch that material. I go into much greater detail in those chapters. So this is just a quick review. So when you want to, in the built-in Python, you do have the operators and, or, and not available to you. So you can do operations such as is 5 greater than 3 and is 10 greater than 8. That'll evaluate as true. This does not work with series. So I'll just real quick. So let's just say we have, and before we do that, let's just print out the head so we can see this. Let's say we're looking for series that are, less than 50,000. Or salaries that are greater than, let's just say 85,000, like this. So if we try to run this, we're going to get an error. The reason is that we have some syntactical limitations with the OR operator here. We just basically can't, override that operator. So what we can do is use this bitwise OR operator, which we do, which Pandas developers can access to, and then perform that vectorized operation for us. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to create two unique series, right? Sal is less than 50,000, and then also Sal is greater than 50,000, and then apply the corresponding OR operator, so to each one. So element by element operations over here, and it's going to apply that OR operation. So one of them has to be true, and then the final value will be true. So this is now a vectorized operation without any writing of a for loop. So it should show salaries, or should show true for anything that's less than 50,000 or greater than 85,000. Again, this is covered in much greater detail in the previous part. So go watch selecting subsets of data if you are looking for a very deep dive into this. It's covered over many notebooks, this particular concept.